My name is Tamara Jackson Clark and I am in the Arctic. And I'm really sorry that I can't be here with you all personally today. I live in the wilds of Alaska with my husband Sam and my rescue dog Nicholas, and I'm a nature artist. I work in the Arctic, and that's where I am right now. I like to call myself the girl of the wild forest light because it's a fun and exciting name, and it reminds me of my passion for the forest, for light, for wilderness and nature. I'm recording this in the Arctic, of course, and there are no trees here. There are polar bears, so if you see one behind me, please let me know. You might see a loader because there's a lot of loader activity and snow plowing today up here. Just looking at my notes. Goodness. Okay, let's try this again. I am very excited to be the northernmost author in Calm Parents, Confident Kids, and to be able to share the importance of passion, passion, creativity, dreams, and enthusiasm have all played in my life and my exploration in life from when I was a kid to now. I can be found on Instagram at Alaska Wild Inspiration and at Yukon River Lodge. I wish you all the best for 2022, and I'm really excited to be here and to share this next adventure with you all. Thank you and have a great day.